Now for our feature story of the day, fam. Trader Michaël Poppe says market's about to go vertical, just like Michael Jordan's vertical in his prime. Outlines a six-figure price target for Bitcoin. Ultimately says it's going to range somewhere between $300,000 and $500,000 per coin here in Q4 of 2024. So let's break this baby down. Here you go. Closely followed analyst says crypto markets are about to go parabolic, predicting a massive six-figure price tag for the biddy. In a new strategy session, crypto trader Michaël Poppe tells his 733,000 followers on X that if they believe in the narrative surrounding Bitcoin's halving cycles, Bitcoin could shoot up to a price between $300,000 and $500,000 per Bitcoin by the end of the year. Quoting the analyst here alongside the chart that shows the growth after the halving, it's about time that the market goes vertical. If that's the question. You believe in the 4-year halving, then we're on the verge. Whether it is in November, December, does not matter. End result is the same. Bitcoin to $300,000 to $500,000 per coin. Let me know if you agree, disagree. And it shows you where we're at currently in this chart. You can see the previous halvings, how much we have climbed, going parabolic right after, halving from, 2012, we had 9,000% climb. Then after the 2016 halving, we had a 2,800% climb. And then from the 2020 halving, we climbed 600%. Then we had another 675% climb. And now you see where it says we're here in the red circle on the chart. And from here, let's hit 300,000 to 500,000. Game on. The trader's chart indicates that this time around, Bitcoin has seen only a small fraction of the growth it historically sees during the halving years, meaning it has tons of room to flourish. If it were to stay true to the pattern, will history rhyme is the million-dollar question, fam. Let me know. Bitcoin's halving occurs every 4 years in April and cuts the mining rewards in half. The last halving event occurred April 19th. I know because we did a halving pump watch ultimately, or a halving watch, and many of you were here. According to Poppe, since Bitcoin had a recent dip towards 65,000, it will consolidate and subsequently spark a rally to the upside as soon as next week. That's right, Trump pump, send it. Quoting him here, Bitcoin did have the dip towards the 65,000 area. Now consolidation and breakout from the next week onwards. I expect the yields to start falling soon again, which would push the markets higher. Let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst. And the chart you can see on your screen here that he shares indicates Bitcoin will shoot past the 71,000 price tag sometime in November before consolidating and taking off and smashing that epic six-figure milestone, which we all know is inevitable. But let me know if you agree or disagree with the analyst. Can you see 300, 500 G's per biddy? Holla at your boy. I'm going to read the comments out loud. Fruits and veggies. Bitcoin so resilient as of late. Reminds me of my pre-2020 pump. But even bigger, super cycle. Send it. Sprint, please. We can't survive another 4 years. That's right. Maybe we wouldn't survive another 4 years. Trump, 100%. Right on. 2021. Oh, well, maybe we'll have a steamy, dreamy soon. Bert, I don't know what the Bert is. I remember asking him, how much Bitcoin should I have? Let's ask Michael Saylor what the second best crypto is.
Which one's the best crypto asset? Well, Bitcoin's the best crypto asset. Okay. What's the second best? There is no second best.
I'm not saying I'm number one. I'm sorry, I lied. I'm number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
There's no second best crypto asset. There's a crypto asset. It's called Bitcoin, right?
One thing you got to get straight. If you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
Right. The point is, if you have the superior asset, it's going up forever, Laura.
Thank you, Michael. It's an honor to have you here today. Wishing you a lot of success with your $1 trillion Bitcoin bank, brother. And shall you continue to stack the biddy? However, now go home and go get your shine box, brother. Gotta love it. 500 to 750,000 cycle peak. It falls right in line with my prediction. Amen. And shout out to the Nibinator. We may get another Nibinator indicator. He gave us 4 indicators yesterday after he was in hibernation since getting the gong. The Nibinator has returned. That's bullish in of itself forever. In my dream, we were not talking about the biddy. We weren't talking much at all. Ooh, what language were you speaking in that dream? What was going on? What do you remember? You can't just leave us hanging. If you weren't talking, what were you doing? Were you running? Were you working out together? Were you doing something adult-like? Fill me in. I'd love to see 80,000 before the end of October. Very doable. Keep this in mind. Can someone run? What's a 26% gain from 27,000? Yesterday, I shared a 5-year memory of the Bitcoin price action jumping from like 6,700 to like 8,700 in one day, which was a 26% jump. So it shows us Bitcoin is very capable of shooting up 26% in a single day when the time comes. If we were to jump up 26% today, where would the price be? Let me know, family. Nipsey grooming going on. He likes to groom himself, but he will go to the vet in about a week. He's got his dental appointment. Bitcoin first halving went up well over, 90,000. This next halving may indeed be the first. Why? Because has never had empires, nations, countries, pension funds, you and me, etc. and ad nauseum. All in. We were horizontal wrestling. There you go. There you go. You're awesome, Moonstone. We love you. But anyways, we're going to end. This is getting too steamy for the YouTube. We're going to continue with the uncensored version of the pod on the Rumble. But first, let's end the live poll on the YouTube. And let's see what you guys think the 2024 Bitcoin cycle peak will be. And the results should be showing here on your screen any moment. Here we go. 34% of you believe 100,000 plus. Yes, and dancing. Okay, dancing and wrestling. 25. What a giga chad that guy is. 25% say 75 to 89. 23% say 70,000 to 74. And 15% of you say between 90 and 99,000. Right on. Did I not give 100,000 plus answer? No, we did. Okay. So 34% of you, which is the majority, believe will be 6 figures plus. I dig it.